The cake display under Noble Snow series are dedicated to the design and manufacture of commercial refrigerators that are versatile, smart, and serve multi-purpose functions. Refrigerator base is insulated with high-density foam. Automated water evaporation system ensures a dry and clean environment. Dual-layer insulated glass, 10 mm plus 4 mm, which is safer and better preserved condition within the cabinet temperature. The entire cabinet is made of ultra-clear glass with 99.99% transparency on all 5 sides, allowing your items to be beautifully displayed. Ultra-clear LED lights that illuminate your items display with the best visuality. The glass has heat and defog coatings that will not residue mints or get foggy due to temperature differences or high humidity. The air cooling circulation system circulates the temperature at 360 degrees inside the cabinet to ensure uniformity of the temperature. Thickened SUS